What's up you guys, it's 50 here, back for another video. So in today's video is just going to be a simple DIY. The reason I wanted to do it is because I've seen a lot of like vintage resale shops currently selling sun-faded shirts and like sweaters, and I think that's really sick. Like the way it looks amazing, especially if you have like a minimal sort of wardrobe. When you sun-fade it, it gives the garment a lot of nice details towards it. Like you have discolorations of the original color on one side and then like white on the other side, and it's like random too. It looks like really sick. When I researched it, it's pretty simple to do. It's not that hard. So all you're gonna need is the garment. So I'm gonna be using this red one because I don't like the color. It's like a basic red. The second thing you're gonna need is a tub, and that's for the third and fourth things, which are bleach and hot water. You're gonna pour it in the tub, and then once you're done with that, you're gonna put the garment inside. And what that does is it weakens the fabric, and when you weaken the fabric, the sun is gonna like basically create discolorations towards it. So that's everything you're gonna need. So now I'm gonna show you guys the process. So right now the hot water is pretty hot, so I'm gonna put it in the tub. I'm just gonna wait until it fills up and get really hot. So now we're gonna add the cup of bleach. I'm gonna pour it in this cup. After you're done mixing it, you should just wait 30 to 45 minutes. Let the fabric take in the hot water and the bleach, and then after that we're going to take it out in the sun. After washing it with bleach, I'm going to leave it outside for the whole day and then come back in the evening, and then I'm going to show you guys the results. And it's the next day, and as you can see, it came out really faded. I love the way it looks, and it has like nice little details here. It's like, I don't know if it's white or like a light orange. That specific look where it's a different fade compared to the rest of the garment is what specifically I wanted, and I love that so much. Like it has some on the sleeve as well, and if I turn it around, it has it in the back. I think that's super sick. So yeah, if you guys want to do this at home, you could literally do it on any graphic sweater, hoodie, and it's really easy. It just takes a day. And that's everything. Let me know what you guys think of the video, if you learned anything, if you liked the video, if you're gonna do this at home. Hope you have a good day, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.